Hi everyone, Irene Koulianos here. I'm the Solutions and Learning Engineer for Vector VMS, and today I want to chat with you about important questions you should ask during a demo. Now you may be wondering, what makes me qualified to be giving you such advice? Well, I can tell you after my 2.5 years of being at Vector VMS and conducting dozens, if not in the hundreds of demos, I've been on the receiving end of a lot of great questions from our clients, as well as the fact that I've spent 10 years in the contingent labor space before joining Vector VMS. And so I really understand the market and the importance of having the right technology in place to help meet your goals. So if you haven't checked out our VMS Buyer's Guide, definitely do that now. I'm sure there should be a link or something attached here for you to download. And it's really just in general, giving you advice on how to procure VMS technology. So once you get to a certain stage, and that's having reviewed, maybe done an RFP, and you've narrowed down your VMS tech to the top 2 to 3, now it's time to start seeing full demos of the technology and asking the right questions to make sure that this technology will meet your requirements as well as allow you to achieve your contingent labor program goals. So similar to interviewing a person, if you're going to hire somebody on your team, you make sure that you ask the right questions and that you understand exactly how they work, what experience they have, and what value they can bring to your team. A lot of the same types of methodology and thoughts will go into play when you are looking for a new piece of technology. Because if you think about it, it's like another team member that you're hiring on. This is a technology that will be in meetings and that you'll be spending a lot of time with and that you'll be using on a daily basis. And so you want to make sure it's going to be the right choice for you and your organization. So a couple questions that you should ask. One, after seeing the full demo, you should come prepared with questions that are specific to your organization, right? So you're seeing a demo, it's going to be going through standard workflows and highlighting really great functionality, but what's key and important to you and what would you like to see? Other things you should be asking yourself is, what's implementation like? So you can have the greatest piece of technology, but if you have a terrible implementation, then it's going to be really hard to get that change management within your organization and get users to adapt to that new technology. What's training like? We are in a time where it's increasingly more important that there are e-learning options, there's virtual options, on-site options. So what's included, and are there items that you're going to have to pay extra for? What's the customer service like? So that may not be something that you think about when you're getting a demo of technology, right? You think of all the standard things like, does it do what I need it to do? Does it, source out to my different vendors? Does it let me track compliance? But this is a piece of technology that you are going to need customer support at some point in the life cycle. And so you want to make sure that you are going to be part of an organization that puts customer service at the forefront. Another really critical piece that you should be asking every technology, not just VMS technology, is about their data security and data privacy. So they should be able to readily give you information, set up meetings with their chief security officers, let you know and help you to feel comfortable that the data, no matter what type of data you have, is going to be safe and secure. How configurable is it, right? Granted, there's some features you want right out of the box. You want to be able to just deploy, but can you configure it so that it makes sense for your organization, for your workflows, so it can scale with you? If you're a global organization, that's going to be really critical to understand if that information can scale. So those are just a few of the questions that you should be asking. I hope it gave you some insight, maybe got you thinking a little bit about what you should be asking during any technology demos, but especially the VMS technology demos. And make sure to download our guide that's attached to this post. Thanks. Have a great day.